Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm here this week with a super easy DIY. Again, this is how to create something for yourself, and in this case I'm preparing my costume and Nilu's costume for her birthday. It's a surprise birthday, so I don't want to tell you what it is about, but I'm gonna show you how easy you can design your own clothes. And in this case I'm gonna show you how to do a circular skirt. I hope you like it and you will give me a huge thumbs up, you will subscribe, and you will share with others, and you will leave me amazing comments letting me know the results. Contact with me on my social media if you want to show me the picture of the result of what you've done. And yeah, I hope you like it. There's something you have to keep in mind. I am pregnant, so I can't take the measure from my hips. I have to take the measure on the top of my belly, and that's gonna also change the measure I'm gonna have to take for the long. I'm gonna show you right now, so easy, how different will be if you are pregnant or not, but what it is, the pattern is gonna be exactly the same one, okay? So basically, this is what I've done. I measure under my bust. This is where I measure, okay? Because this is where I'm going to place my skirt, okay? Normally, you will measure here, but obviously I don't want to put the skirt there because it's gonna look ridiculous, okay? So it's gonna be here. Normally when you are pregnant, you always put the skirts there. And then, normally when you're not pregnant, you can just easily measure this way the long, or this way. This way, when you are pregnant, you can't do it because you are missing this amount of fabric. So you will put exactly the measure under your breast, okay? Exactly the line where it's gonna be your skirt, and then you're gonna measure this way down until how long you want it. In this case, in the pattern that I've done, I took a standard measure. If I'm not wrong, I've done like 63 centimeters. So I am sure when I put the skirt, it's gonna be a little bit shorter on the front and on the back, but I did it on purpose, okay? Don't try to add centimeters around, no. Do the basic pattern. If you think, for example, let's say 60 is gonna be too short for you, just add more centimeters all over, okay? Don't try to cut fronts and back, because you will see now how I'm showing it to you. You won't be able to do that, okay? Hope you like it. So let's keep watching. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna draw a circle, and inside we're gonna draw another circle, and then we're gonna make a cross inside, and we are gonna take a quarter. That's the measurement we need to do our pattern. We are only gonna make a pattern from a quarter of our full skirt. What we have to do is, this small measurement, that is your hips. The long one is how long your skirt is gonna be. To find out the many centimeters you will need for a quarter is as simple as, we will take the full measurement of our hips that we took before, which in my case is 79. We're gonna divide it by 2. The total, we are gonna divide it by 3.14, which is P. The total normally is always gonna be 0.5, so we are gonna minus 0.5, and we're gonna have an exact number. In my case, it's 12 centimeters. That's 12 centimeters is what is gonna be my quarter of measurement. So now I'm gonna go to my paper. What you're gonna do is, from the corner, you're gonna measure the 12 centimeters on each side, and you're gonna make a mark. From that mark, you are gonna take the measurement of how long you want your skirt to be. To draw it is as easy as, I just take a rope, I put it on my pencil, I measure the 12 centimeters, I put the rope in the corner of the paper, and then I draw my circle. To do the long of your skirt, the big circle, is as easy as use a longer rope, measure again with your pencil that you are having the exact measure. Now we are just gonna cut our pattern and we are done. Now we go to our fabric. The fabric, you're gonna fold it in half and again in half. So you have folded 4 times. There you have your quarter. Put your pattern on top, use as many clips as you need it to make sure the pattern is safely put it on your fabric and it's not gonna move while you are cutting. And that will be done with the pattern and the fabric. Now you have your circle skirt finished. But now you need to design the waist of your skirt. So what you have to do is, I like to cut an extra piece of fabric. In this case, I cut it 3 centimeters of the same measurement than how the small circle of my skirt is. I'm gonna put it front with front, and I'm gonna use some clips to make sure it's perfectly in line and proper measure. And I'm gonna go through it with my sewing machine. You can do it by hand if you don't have a sewing machine. I'm gonna put an elastic. So what I have to do is I have to fold the extra piece of fabric I just put, and I am going to sew it and make sure you leave one of the sides open, because that is where we are gonna put the elastic inside. In this case, for my custom, I need to leave the bottom of the skirt like an old fabric, like if it's broken. I'm sure you wanna have it like nice and tidy, so this is the only thing you have to do. We will fold it in 1/2 centimeter and in another 1/2 centimeter, and that is gonna be what you're gonna sew. Again, you can do it in an invisible way, or you can do it with the sewing machine, and that will be done. So that's everything for today. I hope you really enjoy it and you will really use these amazing tips of how to do it. And again, you will give me the biggest thumbs up, and then you will share with others so others can learn how to do these themes. You will subscribe if you are not yet to enjoy all the amazing videos are about to come, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah.